Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematiker channel. Let S be the set of all the prime numbers. We would like to prove that S is an infinite set. In order to do so, we're going to use the principle of proof by contradiction. Which mean that we're going to consider the opposite proposition that affirms that S is finite, and from this hypothesis, we'll reach a contradictory result. We then can conclude that our initial proposition which affirms that S is infinite is true. But first, there is an elementary proposition of arithmetic which we will prove, and it will serve us in our argument to absurdity. This proposition affirms that every natural number, different from 1, is either a prime number or divisible by a prime number. Let's see how to prove it. For this, let's suppose that a is a non-prime natural number, different from 1. Then, we will prove that the smallest divisor of a, different from 1, that we note, d, is a prime number. Indeed, if n is a different from 1 divisor of d, then n would be less or equal to d. And, also, as d is a divisor of a, n would also be a divisor of a. But because d is the smallest divisor of a, which is different from 1, we deduce that d is less or equal to n. And from these two inequalities, we deduce that n is necessarily equal to d. So the only divisor of d except 1, is the number d itself. And this means that d is a prime number. So a is divisible by a prime number. And this proves our proposition. Now let's prove that the set S is infinite. As we already said, if we suppose that S is finite, we would have a limited number of prime numbers that we can note, a0, a1, a2, until a(n). If we consider the number that we note, capital N, which equals the product of all those prime numbers plus 1, then this number, capital N, would be indivisible by any of the prime numbers that are contained in the set S. So, according to the proposition we've seen before, that affirms that any natural number, which is different from 1, is either prime or divisible by a prime number, we deduce that capital N is necessarily a prime number. Moreover, the number, capital N, as it is equal to the product of all the prime numbers of the set S plus 1, is strictly greater than any of those prime numbers. So, the number capital N doesn't belong to the set S. And as we suppose that the set S contain all prime numbers, this represents a contradiction. We then deduce that the opposite proposition of our hypothesis which affirms that the set S is infinite is true. And this ends up our proof. Thanks for watching the video, and we hope to see you next time with another tutorial about arithmetic in particular and mathematics in general.